Hi folks, this is Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Easy Engaging videos, which launched on the 10th of February at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So as usual in this review video, we're going to go through exactly what you get with this 9-part video course with full private label rights. And we're also going to be taking a look at what you will get from me if you decide to use the link immediately underneath this video and order from the official Elite Tigers Group bonus page. There's Mr. Tiger and our logo at the top. You know that it's not an official Elite Tigers Group page unless you see Mr. Tiger at the top there. So this particular course tells you how to easily create highly engaging and interactive Prezi presentations for your business and sales pages starting today. It says forget boring old PowerPoint. These videos will take you by the hand as you watch over the shoulder, step by step, to design your own Prezi presentation from scratch through tips, tricks, and comprehensive yet easy to follow lessons. Now, this product is good for you yourself if you want to create videos, which, as I said, you should all be doing this year, and to use Prezi in creating them. Or, more importantly, it's a PLR product, which means that you can sell it on to businesses that definitely will be interested in using Prezi for video presentations. The great thing is that this is only a $7 front-end product, and you've got 100% resale rights for private label. So there's absolutely loads and loads of scope to making money with this product, yeah, or indeed to using it for yourself or to giving it away as a bonus with another paid product, such as, you know, I'm doing with my bonuses with this, yeah. So it's a very good course. Jason Oickle is an experienced marketer who's putting it together. So what do you get in the presentation? You get an introduction. Before you go deep into Prezi, you'll be given a quick overview of each of the video topics. Number 2 is Prezi Made Easy. There are a lot of tutorials out there on how to create a great Prezi presentation, but unfortunately a lot of them that you'll find online are outdated and a lot of them are very overly technical, so no good for me, for example. But in this video you'll be given up-to-date information on the features and a holistic view of Prezi. Video 3 is on how to start your Prezi presentation. Video 4 is on the Prezi site overview. Video 5, start a new Prezi demo. Video 6 is on editing and customization. Video 7 is on shortcut keys. Video 8 is adding voiceovers and background sound. And number 9 is on collaborating via Prezi. So also included with this, you get unbranded PLR videos. They don't put any branding at all into the screens, unlike other PLR videos, so you can sell it completely as your own. You get a professional sales letter, you get a mini site graphics design, and you get transcripts and MP3s. So this is a true done-for-you private label rights video package that's going to sell very well for you. So these are 20 different ways they're giving you that you can make money from this PLR package. You could add the videos, as we said, to your paid membership site. You could sell the video series directly. That's the most obvious way. You could sell it on Amazon Kindle. You could rework the content into your own webinars. You could turn it into a paid email series. You could use it as a bonus for your affiliate offers like I'm doing. Not with this, but with other products. You could create physical products from it. You could create lessons for your own coaching or do it as a coaching series, one video at a time. You could sell the video as a back-end offer to another program. You could use the videos to build a huge list. You could create a podcast episode series. You could use the content for your newsletters. You could use the content as part of a new product that you've designed. You could sell the videos in DVD format. You could translate it and sell it in multiple languages. You can sell it on with basic rights or with master resale rights. You could offer it as a bonus to your paid offers. You could convert the content into regular blog posts. You could create viral giveaways on Facebook, or you could apply the info you learn to other PLR offers. As I said, it's very versatile when you get PLR rights so cheaply for just $7. Well, $7.15 at the moment, because it's going up on a dime sale basis and will continue to do that until it reaches its regular price of $27. So why should you consider purchasing from the link underneath, the Elite Tigers link? Well, because you'll get my 5 personal bonuses. So once you click through from the page underneath, it will take you through to my bonus page where you can watch the presentation video. If you want to get my bonuses, you need to claim them before this timer here gets down to 0. And to do that, all you need to do is to click on any of these green buttons at any time before that timer reaches 0, and you will get these 5 bonuses, which have been chosen to complement the product. And they are live streaming video profits, ways to grow your profits fast with live video; produce videos for profit, learn how video creation is as easy and fun to make as it is to watch; understanding YouTube ads, does what it says on the tin; the conversion authority; and because it's a PLR product, I'm actually giving you another way to make money as well. I'm throwing in a software business in a box. This is a business which has sold over 15,000 copies. All sales pages, videos and graphics are included, and you keep 100% of the income, yeah? So it's another way that I'm giving you straight away to monetize this and make some additional revenue. And don't forget, you're only paying $7 at the front end for this anyway. So after you've purchased, you'll come through on Warrior Plus. You click this green button here to access Jason's product, and then you click on this blue button, and that will take you down to a landing page to download all of my 5 bonuses that were mentioned above. There's just me at the bottom there. So that is that. The only thing that remains is for us to go through the funnel, such as it is. I think we're on this page here. So your upgrade options. Your customer will have the option to upgrade their purchase with advanced sales materials. That's the first upsell. And then there's also a trial offer for PLR Dealer Elite membership. So have a look at that. And there are 2 additional offers in the funnel that help people set up PLR products into sales funnels, and an advanced topic for rebranding PLR videos. So we've got limited info on those upsells, so you'll have to have a look at them and make your own mind up. But Jason's products are always good, so have a serious look at them. But whatever you do, the front end here, obviously it's a bargain $7 dime sale price that you can easily monetize and get your money back quickly, or you can give it away as a highly sought after add-on to your sales. So that is really it, folks. It's a great one here, a bit of a no-brainer decision. We're going to give this an Elite Tigers rating of 4.5 out of 5. Thanks as ever for watching and listening. This has been Dawud Islam of the Elite Tigers Group with my review of easy, engaging videos.